Hello students, let us continue in the planet Earth. Think it over. You see here, a dash is better when you are going somewhere because you need to take with you to check the landmarks near your destination. So, answer is map. Map is very easy to carry when you go somewhere and to check the landmarks near our destination. Now another one is a dash is better when you want to see what the world looks like from space. When we want to know about the world, how it looks, then from the space, then which is better? A globe. Okay. And this activity is there here. You have to do by yourself word search. It is very interesting one. You have to find out the 7 continents and oceans. Okay, this you will do in the book itself. Now let us come to the landforms on Earth. There are many natural features that exist on Earth in different shapes and size. These are called landforms. The continents and oceans have many such landforms. For example, mountains, valleys, plains, and plateau, as you saw in the first page itself. Okay. Look at the picture on the next page to identify the landforms you already know about and to learn about some new ones. Some already you know and some are new for you. Okay, so here already picture is also given as well as the definition also is given. Maybe some places in my printed copy it is not so visible, but you study in your book and learn well. Okay. A slow-moving mass of ice formed by the peeling up of snow on mountain is called glacier. What is called glacier? In the top of the mountain, it is just like a moving mass. Okay, it flows from the top of the mountain is called glacier. Plateau. What is plateau? A broad flat land which is higher than the plains with steep sides is called a plateau. Plateau is just a little higher than the flat land. Okay, means little higher than the plains is called a plateau. What is desert? A large area of very dry land without vegetation is known as a desert. Desert receives very little rainfall. In desert already you know what is the this one, because in desert rainfall is very less, and there we cannot cultivate the vegetables and crops. Now what is plains? The flat areas on the earth's surface are called plains. The plains near oceans are called coastal plains. The flat area of the earth means down part of the earth is called plains, and the coastal plains and near the oceans are called coastal plains, means near the sea and oceans are called coastal plains. A mountain is a highland with a pointed peak. It is the highest landform on earth. Means highest landform of the earth is called mountain, and it is very high and very big one. Many mountains are the source of river. Means in many mountains the source the rivers are flowing. As ice and snow on mountains melt, rivers in the form of streams start flowing. Means as the ice and snow flows from the melts from the mountain and it flows from the mountain, so it starts flowing as a stream and it becomes river. Valley. The low-lying area usually located between hills and mountains is known as a valley. Okay, between the mountains and between the mountain and hill, that middle part is called valley. Highlands that are not as tall as the mountains are known as hills. Means hill is like mountain only, but not so tall, but it is little less than mountain is called hill. A piece of land surrounded by water on all sides is known as an island. Okay, island is in the piece of land, in the small part of the land surrounded by water on all sides. Means every side there will be water, and in the middle of the water there will be little land area is called island. Okay.